Thank you for buying this tabletop podium from FixtureDisplays.com. You can search 1803-6 on FixtureDisplays.com to locate this item. These are all the components. You have your base, vertical support, the lower one and the taller one, the reading panel, and book stop, along with hardware. In this short video, we're going to give you all the steps required to put this together. First, you want to assemble the vertical support. Align the two holes with the vertical support. In this case, we picked up the shorter support panels, and likewise fasten screws from the bottom for the longer ones. And make sure the support legs all have the same orientation, the tapering toward a flat surface to accommodate the top. Now we fasten the top. And we're ready to install the book stop with 3 screws. Now this clear tabletop podium is a very good looking unit and sharp looking. However, if you are after a great deal of stability, you should consider wood options. We do carry wood ones as well. This one gives you a nice contemporary feel and is a great podium to have on tabletop. The dimensions is 27 inches wide, 15 inches deep, and the height is 20 inches in the front and 15 inches in the back. It weighs about 12 pounds. If you like our product and services, we can really use a good review. Thank you for shopping Fixture Displays.